So here we take a look at the composition of two functions. So we have two functions, one of them is f and the other one is g, and we define the composition in this way. F of g of x is equal to f of g of x, like this. How it works? So we start with x like this, then you apply the function g, you get g of x, and then you apply the function f to get f of g of x. So this function from x to the end here is what we would call f of g of x. So it's given by f of g of x. Okay, so here is a simple example of two functions. One of them is f, which is here, and the other one is g here. I want to use these two functions to find these different things. So I want first f of g of 3. Well, that means I want to find f of g of 3. That means I need to see first what is this g of 3. Well, if I look at the table, the g of 3 is in fact 7, so it will be f of 7. And then if I go to the function f, I see that f of 7 is actually 5, so the answer is 5. The same way, I want g of f of 0, so it will be g of f of 0. Then I need to see what is this f of 0. So keep the g. F of 0 is here. F of 0 is minus 4. So this is minus 4. And then I go to g, and I see that the g of minus 4 is actually 8. So the answer here is 8. Same thing here. So it's g of f of 1. Then f of 1 is 3. So this is g of 3. And I get g of 3 is actually 7 from here. And this one will be f of g of 2. Now g of 2 is 5. So here is f of 5, but f of 5 is undefined. We don't have f of 5. Undefined.